This isn't the first time we've seen BRABUS exercise its talents on the tiny smart EQ fortwo electric city car. Actually, this isn't even the first BRABUS Ultimate E to grace the stage at a major auto show. In the spring of 2019, the tuning company revealed its Ultimate E Shadow Edition, boasting an exterior body kit with big wheels, a dressed-up interior, and a bit more power, 99 horsepower to be exact, from its electric drivetrain. This vehicle is no different, save for the color and interior layout. As such, it's not a Shadow Edition, but simply the BRABUS Ultimate E. The car wears a Windstar body kit that adds a front spoiler, rear diffuser, rocker panels, and wider fenders. These add-ons were wind tunnel developed. It can do 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint of 10.9 seconds and a top speed of 81 miles per hour. The changes do allow the city car to run some rather meaty 18-inch wheels with 235/30 series rubber at the back, and the suspension is further tweaked as well. The BRABUS Ultimate E isn't a speed demon, but it could be rather tossable in the corners. Inside you'll find a typical BRABUS cockpit lavished with leather, alcantara, and gorgeous trim. In this case, green contrast stitching and purple accents inject a bit of a life into an otherwise dark greenhouse. Aluminum is also found in the form of pedals, parking brake lever, and shift knob, and stainless steel footrests add a bit more shine to the footwell. As with the previously released Shadow Edition, BRABUS will only build 28 examples of this purple Ultimate E. Pricing for the small runabout starts at $65,100 US.